Hey guys, good morning, namaste and sat sri akal. Today we are going to discuss about the SARC. Basically, SARC is the organization for the South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation. Its headquarters is situated in Kathmandu, Nepal, but now is totally a dead organization because no summit is held since last 3 to 4 years. Initially, SARC is established to develop the coordination among the India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Afghanistan, Sri Lanka, Nepal, all these South Asian countries. But this organization becomes the deadlock and point between the India and Pakistan. Due to the Kashmir issue, SARC become dysfunctional. Now SARC is not functioning at any cost. The most important thing is that there is no coordination committee between all these countries to sort out their differences. And the most important point is that Pakistan is become the hurdle main point because India demands a connectivity to Afghanistan, but Pakistan did not provide any connectivity. So that is the main hurdle point between the connecting to the all the South Asian Association nations. So and India demanding that all the nations are come together on one platform and develop some kind of university, some kind of rocket system, some kind of weather system, but always Pakistan becomes hurdle in that. So that's why India formed a separate country that is known as the BIMSTEC. So BIMSTEC is now replacing the SARC. But in my point, in that opinion, Afghanistan and Pakistan is not beneficial for that. So I urge Pakistani people to keep pressure on their government so that the Pakistani government mend their fences and join the SARC with the full cooperation, so that there is connectivity established between the Afghanistan, Pakistan, India, and all the through Bangladesh, Nepal, and through Sri Lanka also. If SARC country coordinating with each other and develop some kind of solutions, then we can issue a one visa and one passport that is known as the SARC passport, SARC university, SARC military. So it's a greater ambition that we unite this all the country of SARC and make a greater prosperity for the human beings. The scholarship program India run to the other country, but the SARC countries are not taking in part of that, and they are becoming depressed class because they are not taking admission in the IIT IMMs, but in IIT IMMs some other foreign countries are taking part in that. In vaccine development program, India has a huge capacity, but India can't share their formula due to the Pakistan hurdle. Otherwise, Afghanistan, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Bhutan, all can be make their own vaccines in some kind of scenario. The third most important point is connectivity through road. There is a two great ports, Chahabar port and Gawadar port, which all are lying in South Asia, but due to the Pakistan stupidity, India is not connected to the West Asia also. If Gawadar port access we can take, then it's become very easy for us to travel to the Middle East through to till Russia, and our trade boost, economy boost, and it will definitely boost the South Asian economy. This is the most important and fundamental things to think about all the SARC leaders. How can we revive the SARC? Without SARC has a huge potentials. We can textile hub Bangladesh. India has a huge IT sector. Pakistan has a huge sugar cane sector. Afghanistan also have the fruit sector. So all these if markets are connected to each other, economies